Hi guys. So I was trying something for about 2 hours or something. I can show you some short clips. So I bought shower towels to make some curtains. For my windows, because I always use blankets, and in winter it's very cold, so I normally use all the blankets when it's 0 degrees or something. Even with the ability of this electric car to heat on a programmed time at night twice. So I programmed the heating to 2 and 5 a.m. But when it's really, I don't know, minus 10 degrees Celsius, then it's too cold. And I can't program more hours, more alarms or heating times. So as it didn't work, I tried something else with my blanket, because I got creative, and I tried something which is normally this blanket in the front I put behind the mirrors. Those are the mirrors and sun blends, and now I put it here where you get can you put your hand if it's very if there's a curve. The driver shouldn't have this. I don't know why the driver has this grip, or I don't know how it's called. But I made a knot with the blanket around this, and it works. So at least for this part I have a solution. And then I tried the same on the sides. I have one knot here and one in the back. I did the thing with the cushion at the it's a cushion, I think, where you lay down normally with your head. But yes, in the back I don't have anything, and on the right side I don't have anything, and I don't have more than 2 blankets now. So why don't I use my lamp so that you can actually see something? No, it's not much better. Not much. But you can see that there is another blanket, and there's a... Is it a cushion? Why can't I remember this word? It's unimportant. And after deciding that I maybe needed some professional help from somebody, don't know who is professional in putting blankets on your windows in the car, but maybe a camping shop, or maybe a car maker shop. I don't know. But then I realized, okay, I also have to think about how was my planning going that week, because I planned from the 1st of October to the 7th, and that's a whole week. So I wanted to show you how I used it. So the key that I finally decided is the best one is this. So it's one full page. It's A4 letter size, and 3 columns. There's a lot of abbreviations. for all my tasks and languages. Yearly, monthly and daily routines and weekly routines and my YouTube channels and so on. So, and then the weekly, the daily layout is one spread, and I can't continue like this. I tell you why. So this is the project that I wanted to do on the 1st of October. And there's a gratitude section and the reward sticker section. I won't put the stickers in here because this is just a notebook, a cheap notebook. This is not my planner. My planner is the I Love to Grow Rainbow Pages planner, and I had one, but it was smaller, and I called it Success Planner instead of Rainbow Pages planner. And don't be shocked, it's very used, and I cut out a lot of pages and I glued some pages together, so it's in a very bad condition. But I have this on Amazon, but in letter size, in A4, and the pages are still in the same colors and design. So it's like that, without the stickers. But so I can't do this because I would need more lines. I have 8 colored lines and in between 8 white lines, so that's 16 lines. And I have 17 tasks in my project, so I can't fit the gratitude section below. And this is appointments, daily, weekly, monthly, yearly. And then I had some notes as well, and then I had a miscellaneous section, and it got too full. I misused it for things I had to plan, but which didn't belong on a daily page, because they were lists of things I had to do over several weeks. And then I didn't use this page at all, so I think for the routines, maybe, I'm not sure, because, well, it's a bigger page. I could technically divide each colored line in my new Rainbow Pages planner into 2 rows, because it will be bigger. I would just have to draw a line with my ruler and a pen. And then, for example, so 8 times 2 is 16, and then also the lines in between, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, 3 times 8, it's 24. I would have 24 lines. So that would be enough for the project. So the project can go on one side, and the routines, miscellaneous appointments, and gratitude and reward sticker would have to go on the other side. I don't need as many lines for this, because on the right side I didn't use it. So I can put, for example, the reward sticker here on the top, because the space next to the appointments isn't used. And I could put the miscellaneous somewhere else, because actually miscellaneous should go on a separate page, so that gratefulness, gratitude can be below appointments and routines, And miscellaneous will go on a separate page in the back. Yeah, I think that's better. So I also flipped through a bit so that you can see that I really needed. So this, for example, I changed to, I think it's page 28. No, it's this one. Yeah, the spread. This is actually a prepare team page. So it's all the projects of October, November, December, January, February, March and April. So half a year, and I can write down the channel, the series, the episode, the languages, and I marked if I did the Canva and the YouTube. Because Canva is what I have to design so that I can copy it, and then my teachers can help me to copy paste the text from our documents into this Canva document presentation, and then from the Canva they will put the audios into the Canva presentation, and then adjust the length of the picture of the slides, and then I can download it and upload it to YouTube. Get one of my planners now, either on Shopify or on Amazon, or check out my sticker sheets. They are very beautiful. All links, as always, in the description. And now have a lot of fun. Because that's just one thing more to do. But like that, I don't like it. Because the section where I can mark something is too small. So I will have 2 rows for a polyglot Mona, or living in my car, or 365 steps, or hiking guide, and 4 rows at least for polyglot park it, love it. So that, for example, on one page I can have October and November. Or maybe I should have only October on one page and then November on the next page, because I don't think that my Rainbow Pages planner, also the big one, will last longer than 2 months. I can have more months, like it's then like a future log for my projects somehow. Yeah, and so this is what I tried to do on the 1st of October and realized I didn't have enough space. And I did it here because italki is a weekly task, and italki is the platform where I have 4 of my teachers. And well, what I have to do on italki is I have to buy the lessons, I have to chat with the teachers to tell them what is next, or if there's missing something, or if I changed something. And also I have to prepare the next Canva presentation for them and tell them that this is the next one. So I will have a separate page for miscellaneous. I will have 2 pages for October and November. Prepare my Canva, and the daily spread will be on the left side. Appointments, daily, weekly, monthly, yearly, the reward sticker and gratitude. And on the right side, the project of the day. And I also want to have 3 sections for the project, because actually it's 3 different things in this list. I tell you, just a moment. I have a pen. Which one do I want? What about red? I just have to put the cap on the other side so that I don't lose it. So, the first section, so scripting and recording the audio and Canva and YouTube and Patreon and the live. This is all video related. It's about producing a video and also having the live where people can chat with me and I can answer their questions and I speak and I am the person that they can see personally, and the rest of the video is just perfect and designed and beautiful and perfect because native speakers record the audios. So, and then the second part, EPUB, Amazon, PDF, Shopify, Drive, eBay. That's the actual ebook that I sell on 3 different platforms, which are Amazon Kindle, Shopify, and eBay. So 3 ebook versions. Well, actually on Shopify and eBay it's the same one. It's the one I make in Canva, but on Amazon Kindle I have to do it in a different way because they don't take a landscape, they only take portrait orientation. And then the last part is blog, app, Insta, TikTok, Facebook. That's marketing or publishing or advertisement or I don't know. The app doesn't even exist. It's just preparing the app so that it will be usable, and I have to try out a lot of things. But yes, that's the 3 parts of each project. So I could also reward myself with small stickers. I don't like this one because they are too thick and then the planner will get too bulky. But yeah, so 6 tasks for video, 6 tasks for ebook, and 5 tasks for how should it be called? I think it's called marketing. Also, I don't know anything about marketing, but actually it's where people can find everything except directly on Amazon, Shopify and eBay. They can also find everything on my blog, in my app, on Insta, on TikTok and on Facebook. Yeah, also on YouTube. It's all marketing. Yeah, I don't know. It's all content production. So here I didn't do anything new, and here either not. So here I wrote down something that happened on that day, and that's kind of journaling. I wrote down that I will just read it to you. Today I wrote down Michelle. I was very tired. It was Fanny who called me. She didn't call. She chatted with me. So today Fanny told me after over 1 to 2 years that we should change voyage en VUS to voyage en SUV. VUS is Canadian. So I exported the homepage to a new one, changed the logo, the YouTube channel, and the new video description and Patreon. What's left of this? I have to change it in my Q&A, Canva and video, and on Instagram and in 30 Lives blog in 6 languages. German, English, French, Spanish, Italian, Russian. So that's actually journaling, but I could put it into the miscellaneous section in the back, for example. And then after journaling this, I could have put the steps on the daily. No, because they are one-off tasks. Yeah, okay. So my daily page, my daily spread will have appointments, dailies, weeklies, monthlies, yearlies. So only routines. And then I could have the gratitude as well in a different section, because gratitude and journaling, I think, belongs a bit together, or it could be close to each other. And then I could have here only appointments, daily, weekly, monthly, yearly, and a reward sticker. And on the right side, the project tasks. So here I also tried this preparation list, which I want to have bigger and only 1 month on one page. Yeah, and then here, yeah, this is scheduling videos on my different channels, but I didn't produce enough content. So that means that I only could schedule for Monja's SUV-Reisen and Park It Where You Love It, because that were the 2 channels where I produced something. And Polyglot Park It, Love It, and Polyglot Mona are my most important channels, and I couldn't schedule anything because they were all either not ready or already published. So yeah. And here, Tom, that shouldn't have been in miscellaneous, it should have been in appointments, because that's that I saw him, so that was a special time and it could have gone here. Gratitude. And what else? So yes, this is also a one-off task. I wrote it down in German, but I will read it to you in English. I will just translate it. So video descriptions, change video descriptions, 1 blog post with all links on Shopify in 6 languages. That's what I want to do, and it's a one-off task. And then I wrote down what I want to have in this 1 blog post with all links. I want to have who am I, what can you find on my channels, the link. Oh no, this is what I want in the video description then. Yeah, I made a structure of the video description that I want to have in future. So who am I, what am I showing, or what can you watch here, and then the link to the blog post where you can find all the links, and it should include the Amazon affiliate links that I have, and eBay and Shopify, and my eBooks and my lives, and the 30 bilingual playlists, and all my affiliate links, and my YouTube channels, and my home pages. Yeah, and then in the video description I can have very shortly who am I, what can you see here, the link to the main blog post, and then I can use a lot of space and, well, SEO description for the content of the video, which is the most important in the video description, and then 3 hashtags. And then I also wrote down a one-off task, which is I have to change the Instagram logos of 365 steps. But I also have to change them on Google. So I should have that in of task section of my planner. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, a small mind map about what I want to eat. What do I mean by good food? I changed sugar-free to good food, so maybe I should also change my blog name and address, because I realized that actually you can't say sugar-free. You can't put it on your planner, because I just give you a simple example. Don't think now, at the moment, don't think about a blue elephant. Don't think about a blue elephant. Why do you think about a blue elephant? I said, don't think about. So do you realize that your mind doesn't understand not or don't or like zero sugar or sugar-free? No. It's a negation. So if you want to concentrate on something that doesn't contain sugar, you can't write sugar-free or zero sugar or doesn't contain sugar, because your mind will think about sugar. And then if it's a to-do list, it wants to check off the sugar. So that's why you can't write down, I want to eat sugar-free, because it's negative, it's a negation. And your mind doesn't understand it, and then it wants to check off the sugar, and then it wants sugar, and you're wondering, why do I still have these cravings? I don't understand. 3 years sugar-free, still cravings. That's why that's because you wrote it down wrong. So you have to write it down positively. And so I have to change my blog address and everything about good food. And so I want to drink 2 liters of water or tea. I don't write without sugar, because it's normal. It never contains sugar. That would be something added. And then fish in the evening with peas, corn and beans, and that's noon. So eggs, they have hard-boiled eggs in the supermarket, cheese and whole wheat bread of Demeter, which is the most controlled company of good food. And then in the morning, fruit, nuts, yogurt, and it should be the best quality. Yeah, so and then I wrote down my sports exercise ideal week, which is a Monday to Friday, 15 minutes of running every day, Saturday bouldering with my son Lucas, Sunday swimming with my son Sasha, and every day 10,000 steps and 10 minutes of meditation. Meditation is not exercise, but it's like mind exercise, soul exercise. And this is the video description. So who am I? Which videos do I make? And where can you find my eBooks, lessons, favorite products, and what is this video about? Yeah. Then I wish you a wonderful evening or day, and I see you in the next video.